How to enable picture-in-picture on iPhone. Picture-in-picture is a feature available on iPhone that allows you to continue watching videos or participating in FaceTime calls while using other apps. This video is a short guide to enable picture-in-picture on your iPhone. To enable this feature, first of all you have to launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, there you will see general option. Simply tap on that. Once you are on your general, there you will see picture in picture option. Go through it and toggle on start PIP automatically option. Once you toggle that option, you have successfully enabled picture in picture feature on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.